What's up, Home Slice? Lucas here. Today I'm going to share with you guys 5 skills you can improve upon greatly, quickly, using only pillows. That's right, in the comfort of your own home, you could develop these awesome skills using these secret pillow hacks. From flips to flexibility, pay attention. By the end of this video, you will know the secrets to developing these skills using only pillows. But you gotta focus. Let's start with a great foundation, flexibility. Using only pillows, you can achieve a deeper stretch using this simple technique. Not only the basic stretches such as the hamstring stretches, the split stretch, but stretches that can be used to develop skills for other moves such as the bridge stretch. Watch this simple progression using pillows. Stack a couple pillows up together, stretch out your core in the front, then place your feet on the pillows, stretch out your core even further, get a further arch. Then we can use the pillows and this pre-bridge stretch developing into a full bridge stretch, with the pillows beneath us supporting us in case we fall on our head. It's so comfortable. Firm but soft pillows work the best, but use what you have. Working on this over time, we will develop the flexibility to do the full bridge stretch as shown. Only pillows. With the flexibility we just developed using the pillows, we can use the pillows now to let us achieve the back walkover, which will be a prerequisite for a back handspring. Placing a pillow up against the wall, you can see you can now use the pillow as a heel hook. This will allow you to kick over easier into a back walkover rather than straight from the ground. Practice this until you get more comfortable and your speed increases and you're ready to do a back walkover without the pillow and the wall. Achieving this move will allow us to get over the fear for doing a back handspring, as well as teaching us the skill necessary to do a back handspring. A back handspring, using only pillows. Learn to kip up in minutes. No, kip up in seconds using only pillows. Watch this super awesome hack. Get 2 firm pillows or couch cushions, squeeze yourself between them. Then what you want to do is rock back and forth, pulling yourself up to your feet. Nice and easy. As you get comfortable with this, start to kind of kick and use your arms pushing down on the pillows to help you get up to your feet. As this becomes easier and easier over the few seconds you do this, you can start to pull your arms back. Then stack both pillows on top of each other, hanging your butt over the edge slightly. Work on kicking up to your feet. This will help you get your pelvis forward. Then combining those 2 techniques you just learned, put the pillow right underneath your back, try to kick over it and land on your feet using the same feelings you just developed in those last 2 techniques. The pillow will protect you from slamming your butt on the ground until you feel confident enough to attempt it without the pillow. Boom, kip up, using only pillows. Gotta throw this in there. Flips, that's right. A simple pillow barrier can help you learn many basic flips. For this one, I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to learn the side flip using pillows. Using pillows, you can guide yourself into doing the side flip over the pillows. Jump up more and more using the same side flip technique. Then, using the pillows to protect yourself from damaging anything valuable or fragile such as this glass mirror. Boom, side flip on the ground. Using only pillows. This final hack is so awesome, you're gonna be wishing you thought about this earlier. Using pillows to learn advanced calisthenics. The one-handed push-up. Set up your pillows so that, you're doing about a quarter rep of a push-up. Then work on doing a one-handed push-up at the very limited rep range. As you get stronger, remove a pillow. Now you're doing about a half rep. Work on that until you get stronger, then remove another pillow. Now you're doing about a 3/4 rep, you're almost there. Work on that until you're getting stronger. When you're finally strong enough and you've developed the motor coordination, you can now do a one-handed push-up using only pillows. I'm not done, guys. This hack includes bonuses. You can also use it to learn things such as the tucked planche, the much sought after tuck planche. Look at, stack a couple pillows up, work on that form, try to pull yourself off those pillows. They will help you. Then, when you're comfortable and you don't need that help anymore, remove a pillow. Work on it. You almost got it. When you finally have developed the strength to hold the planche, remove all pillows. Boom, tucked planche. Learned using only pillows. Another bonus, L sit. Same thing applies. Try, just try. The pillow helped you. Now you have the skills. Wait a minute, don't forget legs, pistol squats. Couple of pillows, work on your pistol squat, half reps. Slowly remove your pillows as you get more comfortable. You develop the strength and motor coordination, and finally, you'll be doing a pistol squat. It's so amazing how much improvement you can make at your own house learning these skills using only pillows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helps you all out. Don't forget to subscribe. I have more videos coming out. Thank you so much for watching. Peace. You all have a good one. I will see you all in the next video.